Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Market Breakdown with Trading Monarch. Today we're looking at USDJPY. The whole day this thing has been dropping. The whole day. But I'm noticing something on M5, 5-minute time frame and 15-minute time frame. I want you guys to pay attention to this. Here's market. Market's been coming down. Bounces, comes down, goes down lower, bounces below. Came down here and then shot up high. And then came back down. I want us to notice how when we were here, market was coming down, went up, created a high, went back to create a lower low, created a lower high, and then went down to create a lower low. And then market did something irregular and went up and broke and created a higher high, which is higher than the previous high here, and then shot down. And then right now it looks like my price is bouncing at a support level. Within 30 minutes the American market is going to open. Here in South Africa it's 3 o'clock. It's the 27th of November. I'm looking at this whole setup. I'm trying to find the previous support level to show you something. All right. I think we have something here. I am gonna take note of the bottom part. I am focusing, let me show you. I'm focusing here on that sell candle in the middle of all these buy candles. I'm taking the top and the bottom part of that candle. I am marking it. That is a zone that we have to look at right now. It's a support level for either buying or selling. Currently, I am looking to buy because I see signs of a possible turnaround. Because if we watch here, market came down, went up, came down, went up. Now market comes down to the zone, the bottom part of the zone, which we've calculated, and now it's starting to slow down. Because when I look at it on, let me show you, 5-minute time frame, it's been coming down, and then bounced up. And pay attention to that candlestick there. This is now support for the buy. The bottom part of the buy there is the end of support. So now I want to see where price could possibly be going. Okay, well, I guess now that, let me see before I shut it down. Hang on. Here's another one. Okay, so this is the last one. Okay, so I want to see if price is gonna close shape below that support by the time the American market opens. This could actually even be the lower low, but let's see. Currently, because it's in between the support level, this is the best place to make the buy entry if I want to, because I'm checking. Let me actually do it. The account here is a bit big, but so we're just practicing on learning how to make really really big money. So let me enter my buys in that zone, and let's see how things plan out, because I want to show you. If you watch my other videos, you'll see how to identify zones which are increased probability of success in terms of making an entry. Right now, I see market is trying to fight against my entry. But I need to, you see, okay, after you place a trade, you also need to be mindful that you may not get it correct all the time. So you need to, if you want to limit losses, I don't like to talk about negativity, but at this point, you are learning to become consistent with trading. So in the journey of learning, you're bound to make some mistakes. See, this one is also even going down. Let's see. So I need to wait for the 30-minute candle to close because it's right at the bottom. And then based off that, I'll see if this current candle, I'll see if this current candle here closes shape below the bottom of the zone, or does it close above or in between. Or if it closes above here, next candle should be shooting up. That's going to be in 30 minutes. Currently, I don't see that because market is pushing down. I suppose it's breaking now. Sheesh. Let's see. Okay, there's activity. It's still within, but now it's. We'll see. What I can do in this case, I'll use. Let me use this part here. I'll use this level as my stop loss. The previous low I see here. Look, you can actually even use this as a gauge to see where if you put your stop loss at a certain level, should it trigger, how much would it actually cost? Because there I'm counting. I think it says $111 as a stop loss should price hit that area. And so it's minimizing. Instead of risking the whole account, it should market go against our prediction, we can minimize loss. But depending on account sizes, you should be able to survive. Actually, let me open a small trade, small position, so those with smaller accounts can get a realistic idea how much. Not enough money. Okay, not enough money. We have to wait it out. It's okay. And yeah, for now I need to wait 20 minutes and see what happens after 3:30, and then we'll take it from there, because I feel like it has reached the low of the day. Because where's that? Where did you see that in the past? Yeah. Was it H4? Let's see. Oh, here on H1. Right. We're using the previous support level. When I say previous, before, before price came down to here. Price came down here. It hasn't been this low since this time. It broke up and stayed up, so it hasn't been this low since this point. So this is the previous support level. That's how you determine where is the previous support level, where is it most likely to head to when it goes in a certain direction. So that's my entry level, that range here between 148.785 and 148.576. That's my range. Market might delay the move, market might still go down, I don't know, but I'm gonna take a chance, as we all do in this game, and let's see how it goes. Let's update. So market is starting to turn now. I just opened that 0.01 for our brothers and sisters who are still starting off, trying to understand how much money with the minimum lot size, which is your minimum risk. and we can use the results of this as a gauge as to when you use the minimum level of risk, what your minimum level of profit could look like. So it's going to be a learning experience for everyone. I hope everything goes accordingly. Let's go, let's get it. All right, guys. So it's almost 3:30, and what I'm noticing here is that a new support, should market close with this shape, this range, we could actually say from wherever wherever the candle closes, I'm going to measure that point, but from the bottom here, this is the support now for the buy speculation. There might be a push down. Okay, let's do that before it carries on going up. So between here and here, that's the support for the buy. Should market fail to go up, it would jump out and reassess things. But as you guys can see, it's currently in agreement with what I've been saying. So market needs to rise up to the top here. Market needs to come up to the top here. That's the top part of the zone we've been talking about. And once it gets up to there and goes above it, like it carries on moving above it, then we can relax and say, okay, price will be going up. For how long, I don't know. But when I look at the pattern here, because there was a higher high, this now becomes the lower low, essentially the head of the pattern called head and shoulders. This part is the shoulder, this is the neckline, this is the head, and it should come create the other shoulder and then shoot up. So it might still take a couple of hours before anything really happens, but for now we see if market is ready to. So you see it's testing, it's going back down. So now it's time to see if market will hold. If not, then the sell is strong. But yeah, I'll update. All right. So market is at the top level, currently going as planned. Let's see what. So market broke through now. At this point, you could actually use this break as an opportunity to re-enter if you want to. Because it just broke through, there will be a lot of momentum. It's gonna carry on. Most probably up to that moving average there. Price always touches moving averages, so instead of waiting for a lot of confirmation on it coming up down, waiting for it to get there before you enter, you could enter. It's a choice, you don't have to. It raises risk in terms of possible losses, but it increases possible gains if it's done at the right moment, I guess. So currently we're here, and let's see if we are able to get to 6 digits before the end of the day. And yeah, man, let's go, let's get it. Yeah, so things aren't looking so great right now. Market's turning around, and I'm not sure when it'll turn around back in our favor, but that's the current situation. We shall wait. Alright, guys. Well, it's a little after 6 now, and this is how markets currently look like. When we go to the hour time frame, you see a nice little push that price tried to run up. It's currently testing this zone here, the support of the previous for the sell. I'm waiting to see if price is going to break through or make a U-turn. You see currently it's struggling. It's showing a bit of signs of weakness, so I don't know. We'll see if we'll hold or cash out. In terms of this side, it managed to grab it, but it's not the 6-figure target we were hoping for the day, so I don't know. We'll see. But hey, man, a win is a win. But now when I look at on the H4 time frame, I see something loading. When this candle closes, it's going to be the next support for the buy. So maybe this might stretch out tomorrow. Might carry on tomorrow and the day after that. So this is the next possible target. We took the top of that area there and the bottom of that area there. So this should go up to somewhere here. And then, yeah, that by then probably it'll be close to that 6-figure target. And until then, I guess we'll just wait it out. But for this video, I think what I'll do is try to find a place where I can place stop losses, like there, so that should market turn around, we cash out majority of profit, and then we'll just see tomorrow. Alternatively, I could let it run for a couple of hours and then see how it look after 12 hours or tomorrow this time. But yeah, but it wasn't too bad. I suppose it could have been worse. But alright, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll make a video tomorrow and update how things went. Alright, cheers.